Hi, today I'm making a light dessert based on a Gordon Ramsay recipe. There are a few small differences in the recipe that I've used, but it'll be sweet and light just as it's meant to be. Enjoy! Right then, I'll sort out the summerberries first. Yes, I know it's not really summer, but strawberries, raspberries, blackberries and blueberries were bought from the local supermarket and are available all year round. I'll hold the strawberries, and then I'm really looking for the berries that are the best colour, hopefully the best flavour, rejecting the ones that feel bruised or overripe. I've got a tray ready for them with some kitchen paper lining the bottom, and they'll go into the fridge until we're ready to plate our dessert. Next I'm going to make a little strawberry coulis. It's a thick strawberry sauce and it's to coat all of the berries before they're put on the plate. What I need for that is a few ripe strawberries which I shall hull and then chop them up. They'll go into a pan to which I'll add about 10 grams of caster sugar. I'll warm them up until the sugar melts and the strawberries soften. Then I'll push them through a sieve and the coulis can sit in the bowl until it's ready for use. And a quick taste to check the coulis is just right. Now the Sabayon. I'll begin by taking 4 free-range eggs and separating the yolks from the whites. The yolks go into a heat-proof bowl as they are going to be cooked over a pan of gently simmering water. I'll add to the yolks half a teaspoon of cornflour. This adds to the thickness and stability of the egg yolks. 1 tablespoon of liquid glucose. This prevents the formation of sugar crystals. 60 grams of Prosecco at room temperature. I use Prosecco over champagne because that's what's available in my local store. 60 grams of sieved icing sugar. I'll gently whisk them together before putting the bowl over a pan of gently simmering water. It's time for a session of whisk, whisk, whisking. The professionals say it should take about 10 minutes of constant whisking. I timed myself and it took about 12 minutes. I'm really happy with that. I keep on whisking until it looks like a thick, stable foam. Then I take it off the pan, dry the water off the bottom of the bowl, and leave it to cool down. It tastes good too. I whisk it a couple of times as it's cooling down and the foam looks good. Now that the Sabayon is cold, I'm ready to plate up. I take a selection of the summerberries and chop up the strawberries into halves and quarters. Better presentation. They all go together into one bowl, and a couple of spoonfuls of strawberry coulis covers them all. I place them on the dish. What a mix of colours. I'll whisk the Sabayon one last time before spooning it over the berries. I'm getting excited at the thought of this dish coming to completion. Must be years since I made something like this. I slide it under the grill and stand watching and waiting. Must be serious now, the glasses have come on. That's it, done and browned nicely. Not on one, but two. This is a simple yet truly stunning dish. The flavours of the berries and the browning of the Sabayon. I'm lost for words. I feel like this is a real achievement. The Sabayon, the berries and the coulis all put together by me. A real summer's dessert. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.